About to head home and change my VCT solenoids. Getting an over retardation code P0012, P0022. It will stall after warming up to optimal running temperature in drive and in reverse, not in neutral or in park. It idles extremely rough. It ticks, as you can hear. All the codes that it's throwing are saying VCT solenoids. So, about to go home, just got them in the mail today. Swap them out, erase the codes, and see what happens. And then I'll be back with an update video. Oh yeah, 2005 or 5.43 valve.
Piece of shit motor.
Runs fine once you get the RPMs up past 1,000, but at idle speed, it's rough, man. Be back with the other half of the video here when I start tearing the solenoids out. Just got home and it's running even worse. Alright, when doing these VCT solenoids, make sure you buy Torx screwdrivers long enough to get in there to get the one Torx bit screw in there to get these fuckers out. Now we're going to tape some extensions together on a 1/4-inch ratchet. Got the plastic plugs off. Next step is to get them out. Then throw the new solenoids in. Reconnect the battery. And then
see how she works.
Alright. Got the first one done. Was easy. Set to create, where is it? A little extension, because the Torx bits that I bought weren't long enough, and you don't want your parts falling in there because it's where your cams and everything are. So I jigged that up, got it all back in there in one piece, buttoned up, and onto this next one. Move my power steering reservoir out of the way. 3 bolts, 2 on top, 1 right there. Just move it out of the way. That way you have access to pull it out instead of fighting it. Alright, be back after this is done. Alright, we got the son of a bitch back together. See in there. Well, can't see, but it's in there. Both of them are in there, done. Harnesses are on, batteries reconnected, air tubes back on. Let's start it up and see what's going on. Gotta be protected out in the hood too.
click.
Alright, here we go. Still got some timing chain slap, unfortunately. I have to replace the timing chain guides and tensioners. Gonna do that next. Running smooth, no VCT solenoid or cam phaser noise. Now the engine's not running at optimal temperature yet either, so I'm gonna let it run a little bit and then clean these tools up while it's warming up and take it for a drive. Alright, I've been driving for 5-10 more minutes. Still running smooth as butter, no check engine light. I'll go back over what I was covering. Glad I beat my head against the wall for weeks researching this damn 5.43 valve, and instead of just jumping in and throwing parts at it, wasting tons of money, finally got to the point where I thought I actually located the problem and went up and got an OBD2 scan on it, and the codes P0012 and P0022 popped up, which is damn near a dead giveaway for the VCT solenoid screwing up, along with 8 other codes, which are all tied in together. They all had to do with the VCT solenoid failure. Now this thing is running smooth as hell. I feel an increase in power and efficiency. No rough idling. Idles smooth as hell. The fix was so easy, it's not even funny, man. Literally took about an hour, and that was including sitting there bullshitting with some neighbors and friends of mine. But yeah, as you can see, this thing is running smooth as gravy. No check engine lights. Coming to a stop now, where before it would idle so rough, man. Unbelievably rough.
Completely smooth.
That's so beautiful. I'm so fucking happy. I mean, it's been up to full running temp for the last 15 minutes. No issues. If I drive this before the solenoid fix, the engine would start to idle rough after a good, not even 10 minutes of driving. And then add another 10 minutes on top of that, and then it would start stalling and have a horrible lack of power. I mean, virtually no power. I'd have to snub the damn gas pedal to the floor just to get through an intersection. But now, no more of that. So yeah, if you have a 5.4 valve and it's idling rough in drive and reverse, and even a slight rough idle in neutral and park, if you got a lack of power, a loud ticking noise, which could also be your cam phasers, go get a diagnostic. And if you see the codes P0012, P0022, chances are it is your damn VCT solenoids. I got them on eBay. They're the updated version with the smaller oil port. They run off less PSI for oil pressure, which is way better because these engines have a problem with oil pressure initially. eBay, I got them for $95 shipped for a pair of them. So yeah, truck's fixed, running smooth, still running smooth. Been driving for a good 25 minutes now with zero problems. So yeah, them codes, man, P0012, P0022, or an over retardation code on your diagnostics is a dead giveaway for them VCT solenoids. If you have any questions or comments, make sure to leave a comment down below. And I'll try and help you as much as I can. I've done enough research on this damn engine to make myself puke, man. Or get a job at Ford as a fucking Ford tech. Yeah. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.
Peace.